Well, how do there, pluckers? I've a sore fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for a bit of a question and answer sort of session. Okay, there are a couple of questions which I am getting asked a lot recently, and so I thought I'd make a video about it, so hopefully it would clear up the issue to some degree, because it's taken me a lot of time to reply to a lot of these questions, one in particular, and that one is about strumming patterns. I get a lot of requests, comments about strumming patterns on my lessons. You may well have noticed I don't normally give strumming patterns to my lessons, and that's the main reason is I don't believe in them. Okay, I never learnt strumming patterns, or never had strumming patterns when I was learning to play the guitar, and therefore I don't believe in them. Everyone strums differently, everyone hears the strumming slightly differently, and therefore what I consider the correct strumming pattern may not be what you consider to be the right strum. Okay, so the way I would say to everybody that writes into me, please don't bother writing into me anymore about strumming patterns, because I'm not going to reply to them any further. It's taking me a huge amount of time to reply to people just to tell them I don't do strumming patterns. Okay, so what I suggest people do is what I do, and I just listen to the track. My ears tell me what I hear as a strumming pattern, and my arm is basically trying to replicate what I hear. My strumming hand is, goes into automatic mode, and hopefully most times it seems to work out quite well for me. And I'm not conscious of what I'm doing as far as strumming. It's just automatic, and I think that's what it should be for everybody. You listen to the song, you hear the strumming in your head, and your brain puts it down to your strumming hand, and away you go. Okay. So I think all these strumming patterns really are irrelevant. Okay, I'll be quite blunt about it. A lot of people won't agree with me, but that's my opinion. So, like I said, please don't ask me for strumming patterns, because in future I won't even reply to them, unfortunately. I just haven't got the time to keep telling people I don't do them. Okay. Now, let's got that off my chest. The second point is a more valid question. People ask me quite a lot of the questions about the two screws, what appears to be screws in the 16th fret of my guitar on the neck here. I have two what appears to be Phillips head screws, or cross-headed screws. Okay, this is a Taylor Big Baby guitar, and it is designed and manufactured with a bolt-on neck. And these screws, stroke bolts, call them what you want, are how they fix the neck to the body of the guitar. It's as simple as that. It is not a repair, it's something I've done, it's not a custom fixing or something. It's how the guitar is made by Taylor, and it still is, I believe, currently done like that. And as you can see on the bottom of the neck, there is no heel. Normally most guitars have a chamfered bit of wood here, and that's not there on my guitar. You can see it is like an electric guitar, it's a bolt-on neck, So that hopefully will solve that question, which I get asked quite a lot anyway, which is a genuine question. I can understand people's thoughts on that one. It's a bit odd. I don't know many guitars, acoustic wise, that have a bolt-on neck, but this is one of them. Okay, so that's it. The other question that I'm still getting asked occasionally is requests. Okay, as I've said in another recent video I put out, I am still not accepting requests. Okay, so I'm not going to answer requests at all now for the time being, until I put another video up saying okay, requests are now okay again. I'm not even going to reply to anybody that sends in a request. Okay, I'm getting so many, I'm trying to get through as many lessons as I can to work through my backlog. I spend I get up in the morning and I get 25, 30 comments I have to reply to before I even start doing the lessons at the moment. And this is why I'm trying to reduce the amount of unnecessary comments I have to reply to. Okay, so thanks very much for watching this thing. Hopefully you keep well everybody, and I'll see you in the next lessons. Bye bye.